Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wished you could create stunning images without being a design expert? Imagine generating unique visuals for your social media, blog, or even a personal project in seconds, all for free. Today, I'll show you how AI makes it incredibly simple. That's right. We're diving into the exciting world of free AI art generators. You don't need fancy software or years of training. All you need is an idea, some words, and a few clicks. These tools are perfect for beginners who want to add a professional touch to their online presence, create cool wallpapers, or just have fun experimenting. So, what exactly are AI image generators? Think of them as super smart digital artists that can bring your wildest ideas to life. You simply type in a description, called a prompt, and the AI uses its immense knowledge to create an image based on your words. It's like magic, but it's actually cutting-edge technology. Let's jump into our first amazing tool, Leonardo AI. This is a fantastic platform for beginners because it's powerful yet incredibly user-friendly, and it gives you daily free credits to generate images. First, head over to leonardo.ai and sign up. It's super quick. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard with lots of options. For our purposes, we'll focus on AI image generation. Click on that. Now, here's where the fun begins. In the prompt box, let's try something simple. How about a cute cat wearing sunglasses, sitting on a skateboard, in a vibrant city? You can also choose different AI models and styles on the left side, like 3D animation style or photorealism. For now, let's keep it simple and just hit generate. Wow! Look at that! In just a few seconds, Leonardo AI has given us some incredible options. You can download your favorites directly. Want to refine it? Let's add more detail to our prompt. A cute tabby cat wearing reflective aviator sunglasses, sitting confidently on a vintage wooden skateboard, in a sun-drenched, bustling Tokyo street, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed. See how adding more descriptive words changes the output. It's all about experimenting with your prompts. Next up, for ultimate simplicity and integration, let's look at Microsoft Designer, which you can access through Microsoft Copilot or designer.microsoft.com. If you have a Microsoft account, you're good to go. This tool is fantastic for quick, social media-ready graphics. Here, the interface is even more streamlined. You just type your prompt directly. Let's try an abstract futuristic cityscape with neon lights, suitable for a blog header. Hit generate. And boom! Instant, sleek designs. Microsoft Designer also lets you add text and modify your images right within the platform, making it super convenient for social media posts or quick presentations. Now, let's talk about some pro tips for writing even better prompts. The key is to be specific and descriptive. Think of it like giving instructions to a very talented, but very literal, artist. Tip 1. Use descriptive adjectives. Instead of tree, try ancient, gnarled oak tree with shimmering leaves. Tip 2. Specify artistic styles. Do you want it photorealistic, cartoonish, watercolor, pixel art, or digital painting? Tell the AI. Tip 3. Add details about composition, lighting, and colors. Think close-up shot, golden hour lighting, vibrant blues and purples. Tip 4. Don't forget negative prompts. These tell the AI what you don't want to see, like no blurry lines or avoid distorted faces. This can really clean up your images. So, what can you actually do with all this amazing, free AI art? The possibilities are endless. First, social media. Create eye-catching Instagram posts, Facebook banners, or unique profile pictures. Stand out from the crowd with visuals no one else has. Second, blog posts and websites. Generate stunning header images or illustrations for your articles. Say goodbye to generic stock photos. Third, presentations and school projects. Add a creative flair that will impress your audience. And for personal fun, design unique t-shirts, create custom phone wallpapers, or even generate ideas for your next creative hobby. It's truly empowering to bring your imagination to life without needing traditional art skills. So there you have it. Free AI art generators are a game changer for anyone wanting to unlock their creativity. They're easy, fun, and incredibly powerful. I encourage you to try out Leonardo AI, Microsoft Designer, or even explore others like Ideogram or Canva's Magic Media. Experiment, play around, and see what incredible things you can create. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tools and tech tips, and let me know in the comments below what amazing things you've created with AI art. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.